Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Ryo Koriyama. Code JUQ647. Released on April 23, 2024. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story is about married woman and her brother-in-law. The guy went to visit his brother and his sister-in-law house, and the guy stayed there for a month. Apparently, the guy was having a hard time at work. So every night, the guy went to his brother and sister-in-law room, and the guy hears them doing their playtime. So the guy envy them. However, the days goes by, the guy cannot resist his feeling anymore. So one day, when they are alone at home, things went out of control. They spent quality time together, and the wonderful story begun.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.